Diabetes reversal can be misconstrued as a complete cure for diabetes. Alas, there is no known cure for this disease. We prefer to call diabetes reversal as diabetes remission. Diabetes remission occurs when the blood sugar stays within the normal range as a result of a change in lifestyle. Diabetes type 2 can be brought into remission, but there is no certainty that this situation will be permanent. There is good evidence that losing weight can not only improve your health, and put type 2 diabetes into remission. And there are many people who have successfully reversed their diabetes by doing so. Many scientists accept that the liver and pancreas are compromised by the storage of fat, thus leading to type 2 diabetes. So, by losing weight and getting rid of this fat, there is a good chance that diabetes will go into remission. Losing weight is not easy, it takes willpower, determination, and motivation. If you want to reverse your type 2 diabetes and feel healthy again, then you must find the strength and try to lose weight. A balanced and healthy diet on its own won't suffice, you also have to burn up the fat through exercise. Your choice of food has to undergo a complete adjustment, limit the fast food intake to a minimum. You should not completely deny yourself the pleasure or taste of this food, reward yourself now and again for your achievements. Learn about the foods that are of benefit for good health, prepare your own food and reduce the portion you are used to. As for exercise, if you can't join a gym, the member's fee can be very expensive, take up one of these activities. Cycling, jogging, gardening, walking, hiking. You will find many free exercise sessions that you can follow on the internet. By losing weight you will need fewer medications, better blood sugar level, and a lower risk of complications. You will even find yourself in the enviable position of diabetes remission. Everybody has a target weight that they must adhere to or risk the consequence of type 2 diabetes, especially if one is prone to the disease through genetics. Studies carried out on 500,000 Britons found that people appear to have a personal body mass index (BMI) threshold which triggers abnormal blood sugar levels. And suggest millions of people could avoid developing diabetes if they kept their weight in a healthy range below that target. Scientists say that those who are diagnosed with type 2 diabetes can reverse their condition by aggressively reducing their calories. Because BMI is different in each individual, people will have a different level at which they are believed to be overweight or obese and risk developing diabetes. For example, a 6 feet 182 centimeters man weighing 13 stones 82 kilograms would be deemed healthy. Whereas a 5 feet 4 inch 164 centimeters woman of the same weight would be considered obese. BMI is a crude measure that uses height and weight to work out if someone is a healthy weight. It's important to know that not everyone who loses this much weight will be able to put their diabetes into remission. But losing some weight comes with a lot of health benefits, even if you don't achieve remission. Even losing as little as 5% of your body weight, when you're overweight, can have huge benefits for your health.